your boy Washington, the farmer. I'm practicing cutting trees, so before I cut this tree all the way down, I want to show y'all how I cut trees. So I try to score it where it falls that way, straight up. So we're gonna see. It's Washington, the farmer, cutting down trees. You heard? Oh yeah, let me know what I'm doing wrong too. If my back ain't right, if my swing ain't right, just let brother know. Well, as I told you, I gotta cut a little bit. Now they said on YouTube, you go the other way. Nana, go the other way to make it fall. So hopefully this tree will knock down that camera. That's the goal. That's what I see on YouTube, how they do it. So I'm gonna follow suit. And it's falling and the camera fell. So we're gonna do it like that. Hope you can probably see it. Knocked it down. My bad you couldn't see it, but yeah. Washington, the farmer, just knocked down a tree, and like I said, here we go right here. Here we go right here. And then, like I said, I wanted it to fall straight ahead, which I scored it, and look at it, it fell right ahead, right all the way up there.